Welcome to how to keep your photos private on iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to keep your photos private on iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will go into the photos, and now let's suppose that if you want to hide any of your pictures, okay, like you don't want someone to see your pictures. So what you can do is you can simply let's suppose that if I wanted to hide this photo, okay, so what you will do, you will simply tap on the photo, then you will tap on these three dots, and then here you can see this option. There should be an option to hide it. So here you can see this option where it says hide, so hide, then again tap on hide photo, and now this photo is hide. Okay, so how you can access this photo, you will go into the albums, and then you will scroll down, and here you can see we have this folder, and when you tap on it, it will basically requires your face ID or your passport, and then all of the photos that you have hide from photos will be shown here. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.